A group of American lawmakers honored the bravery of World War II veterans who took part in D-Day by participating in a parachute jump into Normandy, using some of the same vintage planes that flew American paratroopers over France 80 years ago.
일군의 미국 의원들이 2차 대전 당시 프랑스 노르망디 상륙 작전에 참가한 참전 용사들을 기리는 뜻으로 노르망디에서 직접 낙하산 점프를 선보였습니다. 이날 의원들은 80년 전 미군 낙하산 부대원들을 실어 나른 것과 같은 기종의 비행기를 이용한 것으로 알려졌습니다.
Yeah. So D-Day celebrations happened over the weekend in France to commemorate, of course, that famous landing at Normandy Beach where many soldiers died 80 years ago. Hard to imagine. So a lot of the veterans of World War II, there are not many of them. In fact, the youngest that participated in these celebrations was 96.
Yeah.
So a lot of people are saying this may be one of the last sort of big commemorations
Exactly.
with veterans participating.
And that was the gist of one of the news coverage articles we looked at last week, actually.
Was that?
That
Okay.
it could be the last time
Yeah.
that the veterans get together and commemorate. I should say.
Commemorate, yeah.
In Normandy.
So in today's headline, we're talking about these U.S. lawmakers. 9 of them, in fact, they reenacted these sort of parachute jumps. We call them
Yeah.
paratroopers, right?
Yeah.
Into Normandy. They did this. A group of them did this 5 years ago, in fact, for the 75th anniversary as well. But there are many movies based on this.
Yeah.
Saving Private Ryan, I
Yes.
think,
Yep.
was part of that, right? I believe. And it reminds me of when George H.W. Bush, the former president, he parachuted when he was 90 years old to
was he 90
celebrate
at the
his
time?
birthday. Yes. So pretty amazing. But again, these services happening over in Normandy.
Yeah, definitely. So June 6th here in Korea was Memorial Day. But
Hyunchungil, right? Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. But in the West, of course, they remember
Yeah.
D-Day.
And one of our listeners just a moment ago talked about Korean War veterans,
Yep.
and the same is true. The Korean War has been over 70 years now since it
Right.
ended. So
Yeah.
a lot of those veterans, we need to keep them in our memories.
Yes, definitely. Okay, first expression is to take part in.
Yeah, to take part in simply means to participate in something, to be involved in something. It's just a fancier way. I guess participate is fancier, but to take part means to participate.
네.
Yes.
참가하다, 참여하다, take part in 무엇 하면 되겠습니다. 자, 그럼 paratrooper라는 단어를 볼까요?
Yeah, a paratrooper is a soldier as a member of the paratroops, and paratroops are troops that are trained and equipped to parachute from an airplane.
그렇죠. 이게 이제 parachute라는 단어가 연상이 되죠. 낙하산. 그다음에 trooper가 부대원이어서 paratrooper가 낙하산 부대원이 되겠습니다. 자, 다시 읽어볼게요. A group of American lawmakers honored the bravery of World War II veterans who took part in D-Day by participating in a parachute jump into Normandy using some of the same vintage planes that flew American paratroopers over France 80 years ago. Okay, and let's move on to the next headline.
A tech company in China has won plaudits on social media for putting nearly 1 million yuan, or 163 million won, into a fund to encourage its employees to lose weight.
중국의 한 기술 기업이 직원들의 체중 감량을 장려하기 위해 약 100만 위안에 육박하는 금액, 우리 돈으로는 약 1억 6,300만 원의 기금을 조성해 소셜미디어에서 큰 호응을 얻고 있습니다. What's going on?
Yeah, so basically what this company is doing is they're recruiting 30 workers at a time to attend sort of this weight loss boot camp.
Wow.
Fat camp, as it's non-PC as known.
Right.
And what they do is every week, it's for 3 months. And what they do is they weigh each group every week. And for every 500 grams the group loses, 400 yuan, or about 76,000 won, is rewarded. And basically, if the group gains weight, no one gets a bonus, and they'll actually be fined for that. So thus far, not a single employee has put on weight in that 3-month period since the program began. So I think the intentions of this are good. I do have my personal opinions on these sort of crash diets, losing weight, a lot of weight in a very short period of time, which cannot be healthy. So any sort of weight loss program you're on, always consult a physician.
네, 이살 빼는 거를 weight loss program, weight loss boot camp 이렇게 표현을 할 수가 있는데, 자, weight loss라는 표현 많이 씁니다. 근데 여기서는 이제 30명 정도씩 이 살 빼는 프로그램에 참여를 한다고 했어요. 근데 이게 그룹 프로젝트입니다. 그래가지고 500g을 감량할 때마다 400위안씩 받게 되는데요. 그룹 멤버 중에 한 명이라도 체중이 증가했을 경우에는 전체 다 돈을 받지 못한대요. 일종의 벌금 같은 거, 벌칙 같은 거죠.
So there is this sort of peer pressure
맞아요.
to perform or
그래서
to lose weight.
네,
I
그래가지고
suppose.
지금까지는 그룹 멤버 중에 한 명도 체중 증가가 되지 않았다고 합니다. 아무래도 한 명만 체중이 증가하면은 얼마나 이 그 뭐라 그러죠? 네, 사람들이 손가락 가리키면서
Yeah, you don't want to be the one to bring the entire group down. So
그래요.
there is that sort of peer pressure or mob mentality, perhaps.
Yeah, definitely. 그리고 심지어 벌금까지 있다고요. 그래서 체중이 증가하면은 500위안. 500위안이면은 95,000원입니다.
To make
상당히
matters
큰 금액이에요.
worse.
네,
Yeah.
네. 자, 어쨌든 이런 체중 감량 프로그램을 하는 것에 대해서는 찬사가 이어지고 있다. It says here that this company has won plaudits.
Yeah, this is one of those words that's usually used in the plural. But plaudits is enthusiastic sort of approval. Think of applause or to
Yeah.
applaud someone. So when you approve of something wholeheartedly, we call it giving plaudits.
Right. And the verb to use is win. To
win
plaudits.
plaudits. Yep.
이렇게 쓰고 있네요. A company has won plaudits라고 하고 있습니다. 찬사, 박수, 갈채를 받았다라는 뜻입니다. 자, 그리고 나서 encourage people to do something.
Yep. So the company here is encouraging, they're inspiring, or they're sort of persuading and spurring on, urging
Yeah.
these employees. Because I understand, healthy employees mean healthy workers,
Yeah.
and that's their intention. So to encourage someone is to hearten them or to urge or stimulate them too.
네. 할 수 있어. 이렇게 용기를 북돋는 것을 encouraging이라고 합니다. 그래서 살 뺄 수 있어. 라는 이런 어떤 회사의 마인드가 들어가 있는 것 같아요. 자, 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. A tech company in China has won plaudits on social media for putting nearly 1 million yuan or 163 million won into a fund to encourage its employees to lose weight. And let's move on to the final headline.
A hiker's video has gone viral after it revealed a breathtaking 314-meter cascade in China's Yuntai Mountain Geopark is actually being fed by a large pipe stealthily built into its rock face.
절경으로 이름난 중국 윈타이산 공원의 314m 높이 폭포가 실은 암벽 사이에 몰래 설치된 대형 파이프를 통해 물을 공급받고 있다는 사실이 한 등산객 영상에 포착되면서 해당 영상의 조회수가 급증했습니다. So it's man-made.
Yes, this was all over my social media feed over the weekend. So this waterfall, it was touted as the tallest uninterrupted falls in China, but now it's been outed. Exposed,
Yes,
basically.
yeah.
Because what these videos or what this hiker had discovered was that there's this big pipe. It almost looks like a sewage pipe that's spewing water down the falls to make the falls appear larger, perhaps?
Yeah, absolutely. This has been outed라는 표현을 아까 써주셨어요. exposed랑 비슷한데 비밀이 공개가 됐다라는
Yeah.
뜻이죠. 그래서 사실은 이게 산 틈에다가 파이프를 하나 연결을 해놔서 마치 이제 수도꼭지를 틀어서 물 나오게 하듯이 그렇게 해서 물이 나오는 폭포수였다는 거죠.
Yeah. And if you listen to what the officials are saying, they say they did that because there are dry seasons and when the water isn't as flowing. And so for tourists that visit during this time, they might not be able to see the falls. But what you're actually doing is you're hindering nature, right? You're
그쵸.
getting involved there.
네, 항시 물줄기가 내려오게끔 하는데 돕기 위해서 했다라는 게 이제
Yeah.
주최 측의 얘기인데 네, 어쨌든 많은 소셜 미디어 상의 이용자들이 놀랐다고 합니다. 아, 이 산이 굉장히 아름다워요. It's a breathtaking waterfall cascade.
Yeah, if something's breathtaking, it's astonishing, it's exciting or thrilling. But literally, it could mean to cause, one to stop breathing
Yeah.
or to breathe rapidly. Or if you're out of breath, if you say I have a breathtaking pain in the side of my body, then that could be in a negative sense. But here, when something's astonishing, you would say it's breathtaking.
It is absolutely. 자, 한 단어인데요. 두 개로 나눠서 볼게요. breath는 숨입니다. taking은 먹게 한다 이런 뜻이에요. 그래서 숨이 멎을 정도의 보통은 아름다움을 뜻하지만 때에 따라서는 정말 어떤 의학적인 이유로 뭐 숨이 멎을 정도로 내가 너무 아프다
Yeah.
이렇게 말할 수도 있겠죠.
There's a song from the original Top Gun soundtrack called "Take My Breath Away."
Oh yeah.
My breath away.
맞네요.
Yeah.
거기도 take하고 breath가 물론 이제 따로따로 두 단어로 썼지만 내 숨을 먹게 해줘. 이거는 이제 난 널 정말 좋아한다. 이
Basically,
뜻이죠. 네.
yeah.
비유적인 표현으로. 자, 그다음에 stealthily.
Yeah, if you stealthily, it's acting slow, deliberate, and in secret. I think that's the more popular definition of it. Of course, stealth fighters
네.
are known to sort of not be detected by radar. So, when you move stealthily, you're moving very slowly. Think of a tiger or a lion in the wild approaching its prey, right?
네, 그렇습니다. 상대방이 모르게끔 몰래 뭔가를 하는 거를 stealthily 한다라고 해요. 가끔 자주는 아닌데 밤에 운전하다 보면은 아마 이제 고의로 하지는 않았을 거예요. 근데
Okay.
앞차가 라이트를 하나도 안 켜고 운전하는 경우들이 가끔 있어요.
Uh-oh, that's
아마
dangerous.
정말 위험해요.
Yes.
예. 그래서 그때 마치 스텔스 차 같은 느낌이 드는데 상대방이 안 보이거든요. 잘 밤에는.
Right. Absolutely.
근데 이게 아마 안에는 조명이 들어오니까 밖에 내가 불 켰나 안 켰나 몰라서 그러겠죠. 일부러 그러진 않겠죠. 이게 정말 위험한데
Yeah.
네, 더블 체킹 우리가 늘 해야겠습니다. 자, stealthily 몰래 뭔가를 한다. 자, 다시 읽어볼게요. A hiker's video has gone viral after it revealed a breathtaking 314-meter cascade in China's Yuntai Mountain Geopark is actually being fed by a large pipe stealthily built into its rock face.